Hello my beautiful people, welcome to MercyBeauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my entryway. I just want to add a little pop of pink just to welcome the spring season. Guys, if you are someone like me that loves to decorate, love to change your home in every season, you're definitely coming to the right place, because in my channel guys, I change my home very often. Whenever I have my day off, that's the first thing I do. I change my home, I clean, and I do a lot of fun stuff around the house. Guys, as you can see, I'm cleaning my sideboard and I want to do something different. I had rug, I will move it. I had another mirror from my previous video. If you haven't seen it, the link will be in the description box down below. I will move it so I can put this beautiful mirror. Those flowers, I get them from Walmart. Guys, don't sleep on Walmart flowers. If you're on a budget and you need some beautiful flowers, please check Walmart, because they have some great flowers for a fraction of the price that you will pay at the other big stores. Okay guys, as you can see, I love to do my floor arrangement by myself because I can remove it anytime I want. I can change the vase anytime I feel like. So to me, to buy it individual one, it's perfect for me. And I want to go wow in my entryway. I always love to go wow in my entryway by adding a lot of flowers. So it's optional. If you don't love flowers like I do, you can add greenery. But me, I love flowers. That's why I add flowers. So it's optional for whatever you choose. As you can see guys, I bought too much flowers, so I have to put it back. And guys, whenever I'm doing my decor, I always step back to see whatever I do, if I like it. If I do, I just leave it as is. If I don't like it, I just make changes and then change things places to see how they're gonna look like. And so far, I really love the way the flowers turns out. So guys, please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know in the comment if there's a look you will put in your home. As you can see guys, I really love it. And for my lamp, I'm going to use those lamps, and they are in a collaboration. A company sent it over to me, so I'm going to leave the links in the description box down below for you guys to check it out if you're looking for something like this. And guys, I really like the lamps because they're very modern, and I love the color. They go perfectly with my decor. As you can see, when I'm doing the unboxing, it's well packed, and I really love to unbox everything guys for you to see how everything look like if you're trying to order yours, what to expect with your order. And I really like how the packaging is and how easy for me to put it together. So it's very nice to have. So don't forget to check the link down below if you're looking for a lamp at affordable price.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way.
The lamp is very easy to put together, as you can see. And don't forget to check the manual instruction for more detail on how to put everything together. So me, I didn't really have to look for the manual in the manual instruction because I'm so used to put those lamps by myself. As you can see, the material is very durable, and like I said, it's really to install. Just have to follow the instruction in each lamp shade. I want everything in my entryway to be silver and mirrored, and a little bit of pink just to welcome the spring. Guys, that's why I chose those lamps. So if you don't like mine, you can always go to the website and choose the one that you like. They have from table lamp to chandelier or other furnitures that you may need. So the link will be in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out.
The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room, I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried, cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. yeah.
If you are new to this channel, thank you so much. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, clean with me, home decor, DIY, I do vlog. Guys, if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. Guys, as you can see, my lamps are very beautiful. They go perfectly with my decor. Like I said, if you don't like mine, you can always check other styles and colors. But me, that's the one I prefer. I really love them. They are a great addition to my home.
Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. I really love how my entryway turns out. So if you like it, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I love this beautiful vase and the heart. You know, it was Valentine's season, so I just want to add something like romantic, like heart and anything for Valentine, because we're still in February. And guys, as I mentioned before with my flowers, they are so beautiful. Please check your local Walmart if you need beautiful flowers like mine.
Just can't see how, not even if I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am waking.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I will hope you enjoy it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.